If you've been fired while you're on the job, light duty, you have what's called a Maloney burden. A Maloney burden is the duty to make a diligent but unsuccessful search for employment. It's similar if you've ever gotten unemployment before. You have to document where you're looking for work every day. Same with the Maloney search, but it's a more difficult burden because the case law is that you've got to be doing it basically every day. There's a case of the Mahan case where a lady looked for like 163 places for employment after she was let go while on light duty to prove that she can't get a job within her light duty restrictions. In a couple of weeks, she was just exhausted and didn't go online, make phone calls, look in the paper, knock on doors, any of those things to look for a job, and she lost her case. The court looks at it as an all or nothing thing, all or nothing burden that you have to meet to get workers' comp disability benefits after you've been let go while on light duty. With the internet, it's pretty easy nowadays to look for a job. You can use the telephone, but you can use the internet. It's super simple. Try to apply for stuff that you think you might actually have the qualifications to do. And if you have if they ask, do you have any physical limitations, obviously be honest. And you'll be asked in your deposition or in court, did anybody ask about your restrictions? If they did, say yes. And, they may ask, did you tell them that you were on light duty and you have restrictions? Yes. And yes, you should do that. And you may think, well, that's going to keep me from getting a job. Exactly. Because in essence, we're trying to prove that you should get workers' comp benefits. And in order to get those benefits, we are proving that you made a diligent and unsuccessful search for employment. So hopefully that explains what a Maloney burden is.